Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the LED String Christmas Lights. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So we've got 8 different modes on this. You've got a combination, sequential, chasing flasher. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see all this. Twinkle flash, waves, slow glow, slow fade, and then a steady on. Now, the reason I bought these is because it is a single strand and it is 100 meters. So you're basically talking about 300 feet of Christmas lights all in a single strand, which is a lot. Let me make sure there's nothing else comes with it. I want to show you everything you get, and then maybe once I get these put out, I'll show you what they look like. Instruction sheet, again, not too sure how well you'll be able to see that. And then they give you some nylon cable ties, which I don't know that I'll really be using with these, but you can always use cable ties, so cool. And then nicely rolled on a spool. I have a feeling once you get them undone, I'm not so sure how easy it's going to be to get them back on, being that it's 300 feet of lights. But anyway, that's a quick unboxing. So before I start unrolling all this, I thought it might be beneficial to show you how it connects. You've basically got, it's pretty tight. Basically got your wall outlet. Not sure if you're going to be able to see this okay, but you've got 2 little holes in there that are going to connect to the power cord. Simply line that up, and then you've got this little piece here, pretty standard, that you're going to use to screw everything tight, give it some waterproofness. Right next to your wall outlet, you've got your mode button. What's nice with the mode button is whatever you have it set on, if you've got it on a timer or something like that, it'll remember your last mode that you're using. So let's plug it in and let's take a look at all the different modes. Again, there's 8 modes. First one, off. Let me just go through all of them. So we'll start with off. I think this one's combination, sequential, chasing, I'm not sure what that one is. Slow fade, I guess. Twinkle flash. Slow glow. Maybe that one's waves. And then steady on. Anyway, I hope that gives you an idea of what all the different modes look like. Thanks for watching.